Hi everyone, in this video we would like to present a new feature for the LogCleaner as of version 4.11, and that's the Expedition Cleaner. So recently Expedition has slightly updated the way it logs data, and that is active as of version 11.15.6.20. So in this log you have the same beginning for each line, well, the same beginning as previous versions, whereas the first number corresponds to the boat ID. So just remember that boat ID 0 means your own boat, whereas any other ID would be data coming from another boat captured through AIS. And then the second number is the UTC number, which can be translated to date and time. After that, we have value pairs with always an ID and a value. So this ID 1 will correspond to the boat speed, and that means that at that time the boat speed was 1.8. So let's get into it. Click on the Expedition Log Cleaner, go and get your log. It will give you an error if it doesn't find the correct Expedition version number. Here you are going to have to specify which boat ID, so most often it will probably be your own boat, so ID 0. Next we simply click on Process, and this is a short one, so it'll immediately output the same file name with .proc.csv. Save that, and it will open this folder explorer, so we can now go and have a look at it. And basically this has converted this new log format into exactly what it used to be previously, without the boat on the side as the first variable. And you can now use this either directly in RaceReplay, or possibly you will need to also go through the usual log cleaning process to regularize, downsample, and do all the usual goodies from the log cleaner.